Good job, Ozzie.
Oh, thanks, buddy. Crazy, yeah, buddy! Let's go! Bye, Lonnie! G'day kids, make sure you hit the subscribe button, that way you won't miss out on any of the new videos that come out. Until then, enjoy this one.
Ozzie, 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 oi! Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of mine.
G'day, Ozzie. G'day, Ozzie. G'day, Ozzie. G'day, Ozzie.
G'day kids, Ozzie here. Now who loves adventure and ropes and tunnels and zip lines? Well, I certainly do. What about you kids?
Yeah!
That's great to hear because we're here at Trees Adventure next to the Grose River, and this is a high ropes course set so high off the ground in amongst the trees. I'm going to need to be brave so I can get through some of the sections of this course. You guys going to help me be brave?
Yeah!
Are you excited to get stuck in?
Yeah!
Come on kids, let's get started. Safety first, kids. I feel and look safe. So kids, we've all been geared up. Now it's time to meet our two instructors that are going to take us through the ropes course today. So Pat.
Good to see you.
Yeah,
Ready
nice
to
to meet you. And Ash.
Ash, yeah.
Thanks for having me here today and welcoming the kids along.
We're going to have a good time.
So we're all geared up.
Yep.
What do we need to learn next?
We're going to head through a bit of training now. So we're going to head around. You guys are going to jump over this side here for me. We're going to see what we're going to be doing, okay? So I'm going to head through this course. I'm going to make sure we know what we're doing, and then we'll head over and we'll have a climb. Is that okay? Easy. Okay, now grabbing these carabiners just here. Those ones are going to come over your head, just over the top. One of those is going to be unlocked. One of them's going to be locked. Now,
So kids, Pat's just taken us through the whole safety procedure and he's shown us how to use these carabiners to lock ourselves onto the cable to make sure that we're safe. Because of course, kids, safety first as always. And when we're up in amongst the trees, a couple of meters off the ground, we want to make sure that we're safe. So now that we've learnt it, we're going to come over and practice it ourselves so that we know how to do it when we're up there. So let's go and give it a go. And how fun is that? So we've got 4 very brave and very excited kids. I've got to say that I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm sure with the help of the 4 kids that we'll all be okay. We can help each other up there when things get a little bit nervous. and get a little bit scared, which is absolutely fine. When you're doing something new, it's okay to get nervous and a little bit scared, isn't it? But we know through all that training that we're going to be safe. We're not going to fall. If we do fall, we've got some amazing equipment here that's going to keep us safe. And the main thing is we're just going to have lots of fun up there. So come on, kids, let's go. I think I'm ready to take my first step on this cable and put all my trust in this safety equipment. I don't think it's going to be okay. I made it! Number 1 down. So I've just come across the first one. It was a little bit wobbly, but I made it across okay. Now, these kids are flying ahead of me. Lani's all the way through to almost the end of the course. She's down there below me. Little Fraser, 5 years old, smashing it down there. And Will and Channing are going great guns too. Now, I'm onto the second part of the course. Now, I've just taken my first step and she's a little bit wobbly. So I think I'm going to need to use my hands on this one, but let's see how we go. Oh. Done. Oh. Go, Chan. Hey, buddy. Yeah, Channing. Good boy. This is pretty cool. Now, one piece of advice, kids, is that you probably shouldn't look down if you're starting to get a little uncomfortable, because it does make it a little bit more scary. So it's good to keep your eyes up and looking straight across to where you want to eventually end up, which is just over there on the next platform. Now, of course, you do need to look down a little bit so that you know where your feet are going, because if you miss these planks, you're going to put your feet on nothing and you're going to slip through. But that's okay. That's what the cables and the carabiners and the harness is for. Wow, this is a wobbly cable. So I'm all strapped in. I've got my pulley, I've got my carabiners all in place. Now I'm ready. One hand above and then one hand on these sections here. That is fun. That's the best part of the course so far. I love that. How'd you go?
Good.
Did we love it?
Yeah. I'm gonna do it again.
You want to do more?
I'm doing
Well, unfortunately, that's the end of the day. We're gonna go home now.
Let's go.
Should we do some more?
Yeah!
I think they want some more, kids. I want some more.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do some more. All right, Lani, you ready?
Go, Lani! Yoo-hoo! Yeah, Lani! Yeah, cool. Off he goes. Well, I love the last one, so I reckon I'm going to love this one too. Hands up there, other hand down here. Oh, that's a cross under. Oi. Done. Now kids, my little mate's over here in front of me. I watched Will run across this pretty fast. Let's see if I can do it as quick as him. Let's do it. Yoo-hoo! Tell you what kids, we're nearly at the end of the second course. This is an incredible way to spend your day. The sun's shining, I'm having an absolute ball. The kids I'm here with are having an absolute ball. And I can tell you, if you come out here to Trees Adventure, I know that you'll have an absolute ball too. It is super fun. Go Channing! Woohoo! Good job, buddy! I can't wait to have my turn now. It looks like so much fun. Phew! So kids, we've just finished our second course. Who loved that? Yeah, me too. So did you know that that was a green course? Because you know the courses go up in difficulty. Yeah. We've done our second green course, but did you realise that that zip line that you came across is actually the end of a black course? Black is the most difficult, so you've just essentially done the end of a black course. Pretty cool, hey?
Yeah.
So is that it? We're finished? You ready to go home?
No!
More?
Yeah!
What colour do we want to go to next?
Blue!
Go do some blue.
Go. Good job, Ozzie.
Oh, thanks, buddy. Cool. Hey kids, did you have lots of fun today watching Ozzie? I hope so. Did you know that we've got a heap of Ozzie episodes on our YouTube channel? If you haven't already, go back and have a scroll through. I reckon you'll find some others that you absolutely love. And while you're there, why don't you hit subscribe? That way you won't miss out on any of our new videos that we bring out. We'll see you again soon, kids. Until then, stay keen. Oh, and by the way, did you happen to find the hidden Ozzie icon in that video? Yeah, make sure you look closely because they're in every single video. That's right. Stay keen, kids.
Ozzie, 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 oi! Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of